Hi everybody, my name is John and today I am going to show you how to create crew logo in Blox Fruits. For that go to home page on Roblox and click on the three dots. Then click on create. On the left hand side click on creations and then click on development items and then click on decals. After that click on store. Then click on images. And then you can search for whatever image you want to use. For example, I want to use this image and then click on get decal. Now this image has been added in your inventory. And then you have to copy the above link. Now open Blox Fruits as usual and click on the skull icon to create a crew and then name the crew whatever you want. And on the logo link section, paste the link that you have copied earlier. And boom guys! As you can see, the logo has been changed with our logo. So if you found this guide useful, don't forget to smash the like button.